much beautiful, and the winner is X. Thank you for your watching. In this lesson, you have learned how to create a React application, how to create multiple components, extracting and composing components, which are the square component, the board component, the game component, and putting components inside each other. You find how to manage a state in component and lifting state up from a square to board, from board to game, and it's a good start for you to create your first React app. Create this type of application in GitHub, put your source code there and improve it, and use that inside your resume because it's very important in your interview. You have such type of game which shows how you understand React state, props, and stuff like that in action. Until next lesson, bye-bye.